stopping off now for a wee bite of lunch at Subway. But before we do, let me just show you the view behind us, which, as ever, is quite spectacular. We've arrived at the Mandalay Bay Resort and are about to go inside. Mandalay Bay Resort, as always, in common with all of these Las Vegas hotel casino resorts, everywhere you look, everything is on a massive scale. There's marble everywhere, there's chandeliers with diamonds, have a look at that. Not just ordinary lights here, no siree. And huge, great big wide open spaces, all of which you can't really fail to be impressed by. It's not just the inside either as well. Take a look at this. This is the outside of the Mandalay Bay, and that enormous tower, which is actually visible for really quite some way. You'd be surprised. So this I thought was quite sweet. Inside the Mandalay Bay there's a tram terminal for a sort of mini tram, I suppose you could call it, more like a cable car really, that runs to the Luxor, which is the big pyramid hotel that you've probably seen in pictures of Las Vegas, and connects it with the Excalibur, which is a medieval themed here be knights of jousting sort of casino. And this is the view which you get from the tram window. Coming up next is a shot of the roof of the Luxor. That's it.
It doesn't go up to 44, so it would be red, so we're going to put it on red for you. Red, and we'll do two on there, two on there. Okay? Good luck. Sorry, you didn't win.
Now here's something that is absolutely world famous. This is the MGM Grand Casino's lion habitat, where they have lions that actually live on a ranch about 12 miles away. And every day they bring a couple of the lions, and here you've got two beautiful lionesses, into this little enclosure, which they'd say there is a sort of climate-controlled, state-of-the-art technology, but really these animals are quite amazing. And to see them there in the middle of all those casino goers and everything is really quite surreal somehow.
At all times. Next stop northbound is Bally's and Paris Las Vegas Station.
This is the closest station to Bellagio, Planet Hollywood, PH Towers Westgate, Miracle Mile Shops, Platinum, Aria Resort and Casino.
Voilà, il y a aussi une très petite tour Eiffel.
Monorail now departing southbound platform. Next stop is MGM Grand Station.
If you like this video, click the like button below, and to be notified of new videos, don't forget to subscribe.